Okay.
150 feet. Here he comes.
I'm getting a photo of this one.
Whoa, and he's not wasting any time.
Come on, come on, come on.
Woo, he's moving.
Are you all right? That was a hard hit.
Yeah, no. A little sore. I didn't expect that impact, but just went a little bit too long.
You're worried about not being able to go far enough. You almost overjumped the whole thing.
Yeah, I guess my nervousness of coming up short kind of played into that a little bit. You know?
Come on, get out of the car, man.
Ken's okay, if a little sore. The car, though, has taken some hits.
Oh, you broke the windshield. Nice.
Hey, Ken, congratulations. We just measured it 171 feet.
Oh, nice. I want to go 150. Well, how about 171?
I mean, that's the thing with this. We just didn't know, like, what was possible, you know? And so now a little bit better idea of what we can do.
Ken has jumped his rally car farther than anyone has ever done it before.
I thought it was going to be 100 or 100 plus, and it ended up being 170. So, man, way beyond what I thought was possible with a jump like this.
I mean, that's massive in a car, 170 feet. That's untouchable right now. I love it.